Tell me you see something.
No, wait, it's nothing.
That's good because it'd be nice to keep a celebration, on the living.
The night is young.
Hey, don't tell me I scared you.
Very funny. Just didn't know if you were gonna make it.
You kidding? Finally get to see my only brother settle down?
Oh,
You guys look pretty delirious to me.
We're happy. We are. It's just Jim's struggling with the child with it.
The only paramedic I know who hates the sight of blood.
Someone died on him last week. First time, he's just having a hard time dealing with it.
One time I took a header off a roof in college. Now, don't ask me what I was doing on the roof. Broke more damn bones than I knew I had. He was right there, though. I was scared to death. But the way he talked to me.
Yeah, I know.
The thing about Jim is that he can take away your fear. It makes more of a difference than he knows.
He would so love to hear that from you.
I'm giving it to you. Save it for when he's really ready to throw it down. You'll know.
Thank you. You wanna watch it?
Yes.
Hey, where are you going?
Boss, no
Where are you going?
way. You cannot.
Where are you going?
Nothing. Nothing.
Do you wanna watch this in the other room?
No.
No? Why not? Tell me.
Please
Just tell me.
Be here today.
It's just for the afternoon. Jim's got some big surprise. Feel like he wants me to stay away from.
And this is the only place you could think of to come? It's unbelievably sad for you.
Speak and understand Latin. A conversation in Latin. Latin for dummies. Please, not another hobby.
It is not a hobby. I am trying to improve my mind.
I thought you were teaching yourself how to play the guitar.
I was. Wicked, list your stuff.
You know, no one actually speaks Latin anymore.
That is exactly what it feels to about it. So, what does Jim think?
I don't know. He's obsessed with making up for no honeymoon.
As well, he should be.
Oh, well, let's see. 2 weeks in Bermuda or Andrea's salary.
Honeymoons are totally overrated.
What's this?
I don't know, I bet you started it.
Well, I've seen it before. Or something like it.
I shouldn't have that second bottle, huh?
You know, you only have to do this for the doorway, not the whole street.
Now she goes. Carry her on the final turn.
Oh!
First night.
Also,
Make a note of that. All right. Step 1. Move blindfold. Step 2.
Close one eye, so you only see the part of it that's almost finished.
Damn. Wrong eye. I love it. Oh, I love it. You must have worked like a month of nights.
Don't be too impressed. The inside still looks like Legoland.
I don't care. It's our home. Our home.
Bad one?
Usual.
Have anything to do with what you saw while we were dancing? But you're gonna try and get this arrest.
Yeah, when you find the remote that turns that off, yeah, let me know.
I'm just worried about you, that's all.
You're looking out for me, huh?
Well, I'm looking out for me. You punch pretty hard during these bad games.
Yeah, well, maybe I was faking those bad dreams.
Just think you're banging a lot of pain.
Other people's pain, not mine.
Here comes yours.
Yeah.
Look who's talking, Mr. Paramount. It's hard to get used to. Being cared about so much.
I know my business. I'll take it. I'll take it. But
In your house?
Yeah, it's never happened before.
Persona non grata, as we say in Latin. What did Jim say?
You know, I made an executive decision not to spoil the moment.
Good call. Well, so is there a difference between the ghosts that come right to your house and the ones that you see on the street?
No, they're all earthbound spirits, just some of them are stuck longer here than others.
Are there spirits here? Right now?
Only two.
Right. Here in this shop. Where?
Well, there's an older woman sitting next to that guy with the laptop. Probably his mother.
What do they look like?
Well, if they're having trouble coming through, they can look pretty scary, but once they realize where they are, they start to look like you and me. Go talk to her. And the espresso guy? There's an older guy standing right behind him talking to him in Spanish. He doesn't understand why his son can't hear him.
Okay, you are really freaking me out. Are you saying that Village Java is haunted?
Places are
Daddy,
haunted.
I want to go on a
People are
Pokewalk.
So then why is this guy haunting you?
He's lost. Jim?
But when? All the talk about the things, I'm just trying it back on. Come back to bed, I'll be in a minute.
The window just came off in my hands.
Huh? I'm ready for that to happen.
Be careful.
I don't know where I am. I need you to help me. They told me you could.
Who told you?
I don't know.
You're not supposed to be in my home. It's not how this works.
Please.
Tough
I
man.
have to go home. My wife is pregnant. She doesn't know where I am.
What do you see around you?
I'm in a valley. A narrow valley. It's dark. Please help me.
I don't know if I can. What's your name?
Paul Adams. I'm a sergeant from Fort Driscoll.
But she said, did she see dead people or what?
Yeah, it's Ghost Whisperer.
Sorry, I know I said I'd be there at 10. I'm on my way.
That's okay. There are many actual customers anyway.
Oh, stop trying to cheer me up.
What? What? Are you okay? Linda.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I almost hit a dog. I mean, be just a few more minutes.
I'm sorry about the mess. We had a meeting last night that unfortunately erupted into fisticuffs.
Politics.
Baseball. So your boy there, Paul Adams, he's from the village?
Yeah, I think so. I'm trying to get the family some information on him. He was listed MIA in 1972, and my husband told me I should come and see you because if anyone would know, you would.
I'm flattered beyond all recognition. Okay. So how can I be of service?
I don't really know. Draft records, enlistment records, anything that might trace his whereabouts, the area went missing. I know that he was stationed at Fort Driscoll.
Let me check on the computer in the back and see what comes up. Give me a minute.
Oh, well, I don't want to put you out.
Oh yeah, I'd much rather be sweeping up this debris than helping a beauteous young thing such as yourself.
You can see me, can't you? Oh, come on. You can too see me. I'm not blind. All right, yes, I can see you, but you know what? It's really not a good time. It's a small thing. You have to tell Joe the key to the safe deposit box is in the pocket of my blue raincoat. I left it there the last time I had it, and there's so many papers and insurance things. How can I tell him something like that? I mean, what's he gonna think? Excuse me. I am the one who's been hanging around here for who knows how long trying to find someone to let him know. So who has the bigger problem, you or me?
I came up with the same last name, but only the first initial. Now, there is an address, but who knows? It could be a condo or a mall by now.
But it's a good start, and I really appreciate it.
Don't mention it. Anytime you want to come by for a little more scintillating conversation, please don't.
You know what I have a really bad habit of doing? Sometimes I leave really important